A video to show how to use a Chromebook to then be able to screencast. So here's what I have. You can see on my screen that I've got a Google slideshow, and this Google slideshow is one that I can actually narrate over top when I'm using a Chromebook. So whoever's logged into the Chromebook can then finish their slideshow, think of what they would like to say, and then follow these steps. In the bottom right corner, you'll see that there's the uh, time that shows up down there, Wi-Fi icon, etc. This is a button. When I click, it pulls up this menu. Right here is the screen capture option. When I click, it pulls up a little uh, or an overlay of options that are here. And if I choose the first one, this is a static picture to do a screen capture. The second one is a video camera to do a screen cast. So you can actually choose to turn on the microphone on the Chromebook and then have it to where when I click, and if I want the whole screen, a part of the screen, or a whole window that's open, then if I want the whole screen, I can click anywhere and it gives me a little countdown. You can see the 3, 2, 1 happening. And then in the bottom right, this red icon tells me I'm recording, and I can start to say the words that I want to say. And then I can begin to add other words to go with my thinking. So a screencast can be done on our Chromebooks. Now to stop it, the red button stops it. And this is actually living right now in my Google Chromebooks files. It can be found here in Files and in the downloads on this particular machine. So it puts it in timestamp order so you can see that I got it here. And if I want it to be somewhere else, you can see there's Google Drive. So the Google Drive that I'm signed into on that Chromebook, I can drag and drop that particular, if I grab the right one actually, I can drag and drop that particular recording that I just did and put it in the Google Drive. Lots of steps, but the beauty is the screencasting is built in. So screencasting, the how is using that button down here to get started. The where goes to the files, and then being able to drag and drop once it's in Google Drive, how to share it, add it to a Google Classroom assignment.